jumping.
Since
2011.
2011.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Give or take.
Yeah.
There are a few years which got
Oh
lost.
yeah.
But I've talked about Claudia to you.
Yeah.
Have you ever met Claudia before?
Oh, just in
In your mind?
No. Oh.
On the phone.
On the phone. Yes. Simon C. And also Tyler.
This is my grandpa.
Oh, grandpa.
Go. You need to
Okay,
go.
thank you very much.
Thank you. That
Yo,
was
see you
fantastic.
next time.
I'm sure. With all those children. It was fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
I need my mother-in-law though.
Yeah. My regard to Sam.
John, you met Victor?
My name's Louis.
Okay.
Hey, Victor.
Yeah.
I'm John's brother.
His brother, yeah.
Yeah.
She looks
they
like,
look
yeah.
exactly the same.
Yeah.
Do you think he's older or younger?
Younger. You older, yeah?
Very good. Nice. That's why you're my man.
Ya, temannya. Saudaranya.
Hello.
Oke, saudara John.
You know Lola?
Oh, yeah.
You know Lola. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
thank
Well done.
you. Yeah,
Congratulations.
yeah.
The footage is beautiful. This is my
I
grandma.
always hear about the story about your family from
Yeah. Amazing. When did you get to Melbourne?
a few days ago. I come here. I didn't imagine before. I come here.
Yeah. Where do you stay?
In Toraja.
No, but in Melbourne.
Oh, and Chris' house.
At Chris, of course.
Yeah. St. Kilda.
Well, let's go because James is waiting.
Okay.
But we will.
Okay.
How long are you staying?
2 weeks. Yeah.
Maybe we'll see you then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that
Bye,
would be
Grandma.
nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Victor. Thank you.
Yeah, see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And we had an even
Very minimal when you had it, right? Like,
Yeah. Baik sekali teman-teman. Hi. Hello, how are you?
Very
Yeah. Thank you.
especially one with the
What's your name?
Jessie.
Jessie.
Yeah.
one on the
You're
scooter.
Victor?
Yeah?
Victor?
Victor, yeah.
We're in the same block.
Oh, same block. Yeah. St. Kilda. I stay in Chris' house.
Oh, Chris's house. Yeah, where does Chris live?
Yeah. Chris' house in St. Kilda.
Oh, is he in Kilda?
Wellington Street.
Yeah, what are you doing?
So like that way.
Yeah.
Just like, it's exposed so far.
Are you here for long?
Yeah, I come alone.
Ah, beautiful film.
Yeah, thank you.
You go to Chinatown?
I saw you say that, but it was loud for me. It was perfect. Are we all going this way?
Come on beach, John.
Oke, kita kemana? Where you going?
Minum bir.
Ya, drink some water. Ini sudah jam 9 ini, sudah mulai gelap. Ya, sudah jam 9 sudah mulai gelap. Di kota ini sangat-sangat indah. Oke, salim.
So what are you going to do while you're here?
Huh?
Do you have any plans?
No, just follow the plan. Yeah, just follow.
At Chris's mum's house?
Yeah, no,
In Windsor?
in Chris apartment.
Yeah.
His girlfriend, yeah.
And are you showing this to your family?
Why you?
Yeah, you know him well. He's a friend.
Yeah, friend, yeah. So where are you going?
Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah.
Okay. nervous,
Nervous?
but yeah, after that, oh,
It's a lot. Right? That's why it's nice having the lights shining in your eyes.
yeah,
You
yeah.
can't see the audience.
Oh yeah, thanks.
But I thought you were very interesting
Yeah,
and very funny too.
funny.
I think you're very funny. I
Oh,
think you're funnier than you think you are. You're a comedian.
yeah, you need it.
Did you like seeing the film again? It's not too boring watching it again and again.
Again,